Hello, here at Golden Bay Cement in Auckland, New Zealand, we are now hiring experienced truck drivers. The company invites eligible individuals to join its transportation crew so they can increase their income while working for a reputable company. Company profile. Golden Bay has led the cement business in New Zealand for more than a century and has earned an admirable reputation as a trustworthy manufacturer and distributor of cement products. We're pleased to keep creating environmentally friendly binder options for the building sector. We've already reduced the CO2e content of our GP cement, EcoSure, by 27% compared to the ISC 2020 baseline, and we're keeping up our decarbonization for sustainability leadership. In Golden Bay, the Golden Bay Company began operations in 1909 with modest beginnings. We acknowledge the crucial role that our qualified drivers play in the company. Job description. Job title, Truck Driver. Company, Golden Bay Cement. Location, Auckland, New Zealand. Date posted, the 27th of January, 2023. Job type, full-time. We have openings for experienced Class 5 drivers stationed at our Auckland CBD or Papakura sites on a night shift schedule, which runs from 4 p.m. to 4 a.m., Monday through Friday. Company offers. Base starting wage of $29.26 per hour. You are eligible for bonuses such as night shift, safety, meal allowance, etc. We pay weekly. High-quality machinery. Staff discounts. Fund for employee education. Additional career development possibilities. And many more. Required qualifications of the truck driver. You must have a Class 5 full driving license. Also, 3 years of Class 5 driving experience is needed. You should be able to interact professionally, courteously, and amiably with site managers or project managers. For more information and to apply for the vacancy, visit the link in the video description below. Thank you.